Hello everyone, this is Sid from All-in-One Reviews, and welcome to my Mobilio software review. So in this video, I'll show you what Mobilio is, and tell you everything you need to know before buying this software. Plus I do have a special bonus gift for you, so stick with me till the end of this video to know all of this. So let's get started. Finally, turn or create an entire online business into mobile first for higher rankings, massive sales, and jaw-dropping loading speed. You can use this all-in-one mobile first plus agency technology to rake in multiple high-paying clients daily and service them in just 3 clicks. So what exactly is Mobilio? Mobilio is a brand new cloud-based tool that allows you to create a video without content creation by leveraging artificial intelligence. It's a mobile-first page builder that helps to create mobile-optimized landing pages and websites. This app allows you to manage a list of links. As you go through them, you can unfollow or follow new ones. It sends you to push notifications when you're following a new link. If you're not following one yet, you can create a marketing funnel for it or a DIY niche template. It also allows you to quickly set up surveys and get immediate feedback for your marketing campaigns. You can build a strong database of business leads using polls also, and you can create urgency among millions of WhatsApp users worldwide. Front-end offer is the main software Mobilio, which will cost you $57. Let's move to the one-time offers. Offer 1 Mobilio Unlimited, which is currently selling at $197. You can have unlimited landing pages, sites, pages, and freebies. You can build unlimited landing pages, squeeze pages to drive more conversions, and you can build unlimited bonus pages as well. Offer 2 Mobilio Growth Hack, currently selling at $67. This will allow you to lock any type of digital content and get higher leads, as only when a visitor subscribes to the lead notification subscription can the visitor download, allowing users to grow their subscriber base and send unlimited messages without ever paying. Offer 3 Mobilio Super Template Club, currently selling at $27 per month, $97 per year, and $247 for lifetime access. With this, you will obtain 100 premium templates for any offer in any niche, and you can very easily reach out to audiences distributed in 20+ niches. Also create unlimited leads and sales. You'll be able to skyrocket engagement and conversions without huge investment. Now, there are currently 4 upsells. You don't really need all of them to use Mobilio, but they might come in useful depending on your situation and usage. With Mobilio, you are going to get some awesome bonuses, and let's take a look at them. Bonus 1: Easy Copywriter Software. This amazing software will give you over 1,000 fill-in-the-blank swipes. The fact is that there are many types of contents you can think of, but one that still remains outstanding since the early days in internet marketing, and actually, all marketing, that is powerful copywriting. It is the key to all success in marketing. Bonus 2: Traffic Blitz. You've probably heard about the power of viral sharing. When enough people share content, it'll go viral, and that could increase the traffic of your website in a few days. If you inject viral sharing into your sales copy, it can boost your exposure without much work on social networks. In a nutshell, this article will show you how you can set up a viral sharing platform that will drive steady traffic to your website. Bonus 3: Auto Video Creator. If you want to build a brand, you should show your expertise by creating a video, but if you don't know how or what tools to use, this software will create a video for you. It enables you to create videos without using cameras, PowerPoint, Camtasia, and things like that. Bonus 4: HD Video Motion Backgrounds. 80 full HD videos in MP4 format that engage people. People watch and enjoy them because of this reason the video marketing market rose up from the group to up through many social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook. This product includes a package of professionally created HD video backgrounds to be used in your own video marketing campaigns and product introductions to your leads and clients. Bonus 5: Logo Studio. Logo Studio is an amazing website that makes a logo from a collection of great logos with just the click of a button. Bonus 6: Turbo Dynamic URL. Introducing the most effective, fast and empowering system to boost your affiliates' efforts. It was a new way to allow affiliate marketers to become a huge affiliate system. Bonus 7: Twitter Cyclone. Richard Koch says that successful businesses must always be the market leader and must always ride on growing trends. If you fail to tap into these hot trends, you'll miss tons of business opportunities. That's why the purpose of this report is to help you tap into this amazing phenomenon and grow your business around it. Let's take a look at the pricing of this amazing software. You can enjoy the bundle and unlock everything at an amazing price, and you have to pay only $347. That sounds amazing, right? And to help you out, I've attached the official website link below in the description of this video. You can check it out. Wait, I have a special bonus gift for you. If you purchase Mobilio from the link in the description of this video, I'm going to give you a special bonus gift, and to get that you have to just send me of your purchase on my Instagram and I'll send it to you. So guys, that's for all today. Hope you like the information, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.